Welcome to HateOver, the ultimate internet hate management tool. Let's start from the login screen. You can choose from several application languages. There is also a contact form here for any questions or support you may need. Now tap the login button. Here you can register a new account. You can also reset your password if you've forgotten it. Let's log in. When logged in, you can navigate the app with our easy-to-use menu, featuring 5 essential tabs. The Analyze tab is where the magic happens. Simply paste a comment and tap the arrow. Our AI instantly classifies the hate, explains its motivation, and suggests coping strategies. Generate customized responses in different tones, such as factual, humorous, or assertive. To respond to your hater, just copy your favorite response and paste it directly into your social media. Customize your experience in the Options tab. Select your analysis and response generation engine. Choose Fast for quicker, simpler responses, or Smart for slower, more complex ones. Adjust the creativity level of your replies. Choose High for very creative, Low for direct, to-the-point responses, or Balanced for a mix of both. Choose the level of detail in the hate comment analysis. You can select Full for thorough analysis, Brief for intermediate analysis, or None for skipping the analysis. Set your response length to match popular social media platforms, or choose generic lengths. Select your response style to best match your tone or brand image. Our app detects the comment language automatically, but you can also manually select it from our list if needed. Make this app work just the way you need it. Keep track of past analyses with the History tab. You can easily access previous hate comments and responses for quick reference or reuse. You can manage your account in the Profile tab. Review or change your subscription information, update personal details, and monitor your user credits. Mastering online hate management is just a tap away. Visit the hateover.com page today, install the application, and manage internet hatred with confidence.